Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World.
In this project, I am going to experiment in ultrasonic sensor. Now, what is ultrasonic sensor? Ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic sensors are used in robotic obstacle detection system. I am going to make the LED glow using ultrasonic sensor when an obstacle can be detected at certain distance. Let's start the video. For this project, I have used nano breadboard, some LEDs, some jumper wires, some resistor, and ultrasonic sensor. These ultrasonic sensor have VCC, GND, trigger, echo. I have connected the basic connection A12 to positive, A14 to negative. The LED are connected to D5, D6, D7, D8 of the nano. The resistor is also connected to the LED. VCC is connected to positive, GND is connected to negative, and trigger pin is connected to D3, echo pin is connected to D2 of the nano. This is the coding. Let's connect the device. In extension, I have used ultrasonic sensor and LED. Starting the code with when Arduino begin, set pin number 5 as in output, set pin number 6 as output, set pin number 7 as output, set pin number 8 as output. For our pin, set distance to ultrasonic sensor, pin trigger 3, echo is 2. When the obstacle distance in less than 5, all the LED are off. When it is more than 5, less than 10, one LED glow. When it is more than 10, less than 15, two LED glows. When it is more than 15, less than 20, three LED glows. When the distance is more than 20, all the LED will glow. Let's upload. Upload success. And this is less than 5, more than 5, more than 10, and more than 15, and more than 20. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Mohammed Ilya from LiQWYD.
Oh.